Good morning. I'm just gonna put some makeup on and then I'm gonna go downstairs, have my tablet, have breakfast, and then I'm gonna edit yesterday's vlog. But I will be with you really soon. So yeah, just need to put some makeup on this face. Okay, good morning. Oh, it is 11:07. I didn't get up this morning because I think I slept through my alarm, which is not good. So I'm just wearing some leggings, I jump in a shirt, that's all I'm wearing. I'm just gonna get something to eat. I'm just gonna have some scrambled egg on toast. That's what I fancy. Just some scrambled egg on toast. That's what I fancy, don't I? Just scrambled egg and toast. I just don't fancy anything else. Like, yesterday I had an omelette, but I think I just fancy the scrambled egg and toast today. I just don't fancy anything else.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on.
There's a light above me, that's why it's a bit thingy. So if I move, you kind of be here so the light doesn't play a big part of it. Just gonna eat my breakfast now. Sometimes I don't know what to have to eat, and then sometimes I know what exactly want to eat. Today I just fancy some egg and toast. Darren's upstairs. He's got there, but he's still doing work.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house
So, I believe, oh my God. Yep. Oh my God. Yep. It's pouring of rain today. Pouring of rain today. Great. It's pouring of rain. Great. I need to turn this off now. Because why not? Because I'm going to open the curtains. I haven't done that for a while, so I feel like I just need to do that, you know. Oh. Open up the curtains. It is raining, but today I need to open up my advent calendar because today's the 7th, but I don't think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I need to open 2. I need to open 2 because I've only opened 1. So we need to find number 5, 6 and 7 because today's 6 and 7 we need to open them. So there's number 6. Okay. This is what we've got for number 6. Leave a slice for Santa. Okay, and then we have a Christmas pudding, same as yesterday. And your advent calendar. The advent calendar. You haven't opened them.
Is it today?
Yeah, you need to open 2. Dan, you know you need to open 2, right? No, I mean you need to open the second one over the advent calendar. You didn't even got a star.
I don't have a second advent.
No, you need to open your second door.
I've opened door number 2.
Have you opened door number 6?
No.
This was the 6.
Okay, sorry. This one was a star.
So I had a mince pie, which was number 6. Where'd it go? Can you hold that, please? Yeah. You want my one since it hasn't been on the floor?
No.
Okay. I got a star. You can get back upstairs now.
Nothing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's pouring of rain outside.
Yeah, it is. Looks so horrible outside. I'm going to rain inside. Away from the rain.
I love you.
If you want to go gym though, so you can do.
Thank you.
That's right.
I'm not going till 9 tonight.
Yeah, that's fine. Hopefully it's not raining, but I'm scared of the rain.
No, you're not.
I am. Look. Yeah. I'm also protecting you from the rain.
We're not outside.
Hmm?
But we're not outside.
I know, that's not
Trying to get my head to do one side or the other. I think I need to do this side, that's all. I can't do any wash until I get a new one. No, I can't look it up online. I don't think I have it online.
Okay, that's nice.
Okay, my video's just going up. I'm gonna get into some covers because it is cold. Oh my god, it is cold. So I'm just gonna have to see if I'm gonna look it up online, see if they have it. I'm thingy, but yeah. Opened 2 advent calendars, didn't open one yesterday, but I opened them both today. So if you ever miss any of your chocolate advent calendars, like, don't think of it as a bad thing. Think of it as I could get to eat twice amount of chocolate that I would if you only had one, you know. So yesterday's vlog is a bit short. Sorry about that, but it is a bit short. But yeah, much better. But yeah, started to put my head to the side now. This is what always happens when I have my hair this long, because if I put to the front, it kind of looks like that and I don't like it. I'm finding my eyes because my eyes are getting a bit teary. Oh my god, I've been watching TikTok about Undercover Boss, and I like it because it's in parts, but you have to like find the thing. If you see a TikTok like an Undercover Boss or something that has part 6 and part 7, you have to watch that and then you get addicted, then I have to go and find it. I just watched one and it felt like I needed to cry because I just couldn't believe what I was watching and what this guy was doing. Like, so there's a blonde girl, and it was about munchies in overseas, like America or something like that. And this blonde girl was on there. And, oh my God, I'm the boss. I'll call you Jeeves and everything. It's like, holy crap, I'd never speak to anyone like that. I'm just a bit like, I'm just trying not to cry. So yeah, I have to take it off there because if I keep with the syrup much longer, I think tears would be streaming down my face. But yeah, I'm going to the gym tonight around about 9 o'clock, so that should be fun.
Hey guys, so it is 6:30ish.
No, I won't.
We're going to do something for dinner, we're not sure what it is yet. Today's been a meh day. Tomorrow's always going to be better.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Tomorrow's going to be much better. I love my baby. I do love my baby. She's my world. You told me. How was you? Love my baby. You're my world. I know you do. But yeah, I love my beautiful wife.